Ever wished your shopping trip could be more? At IKEA, we believe every visit should spark inspiration, curiosity, and joy. And now, in a global first, we've brought that belief to life right here in Doha. We're incredibly proud to be part of the global new market hall development. Together with Inter-IKEA Systems and Inca, we've reimagined what the market hall can be, and the result is something truly extraordinary, the Wonderhall. Welcome to a space where everyday dreams come to life, affordable, sustainable, and designed for the many. It's about rebuilding desire, regaining trust, and reigniting energy in how people experience IKEA. Because this is more than a redesign. It's a reawakening of what makes IKEA a destination worth returning to. Step inside and discover immersive gateways, inspiring entries that spark your imagination from the moment you arrive. Then explore 6 unique micro-worlds, from cooking and dining to flowers, fabrics, and smart home solutions. Each one is a mini universe of ideas where products come to life to show what's possible in your home. At the center lies the beating heart, a vibrant space filled with workshops, demos, and interactive experiences. It's where creativity meets community. Need a break? Pause in Swedish chill, a cozy corner to unwind and recharge. Interactive in-store displays from Home Fit Made Easy allows you to compare products, understand features, and find the right solutions for your home, making your journey smoother, smarter, and more personal. This milestone reflects our shared commitment to innovation, collaboration, and meaningful experiences. We're proud that it begins here in IKEA Doha, because this isn't just shopping. It's where needs become dreams and dreams become reality. Welcome to the Wonderhall.